Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a face mask using LulaRoe leggings. This is a size TC legging. I'm just gonna use the bottom part of the leg, and first you would need to get scissors and a measuring tape. So you want to measure your face from earlobe to earlobe, and you don't want to use the very bottom of the legging, where it has the cuff. So you want to cut that part off first, but then you measure and cut whatever your earlobe to earlobe measurement came out to. So mine is about 9 inches, and this part is going to be the place that covers your nose and mouth. I'm going to show you different methods of creating a face mask. This one uses two rubber bands, where you take the legging and you just fold it over each rubber band, and then the ends of the rubber band will go over your ears. For this method, you want to cut the leg part of the legging a lot longer. That way you get enough to fold over. Another method is you use the scissors and you fold to a point the ends, and you want to just cut the ends. That way it creates a hole. And then you want to take your rubber bands and then put it through the hole of the legging. Now you just take your rubber band and fold it in half, and you put one end through the loop of the other rubber band, and that part is the section that goes over your ears. So this is the second method with the rubber bands. Now I'm going to show you another method without rubber bands. So you want to fold the end of the legging and then cut a very narrow strip from the bottom to the top, leaving about an inch, and ending at about an inch from the top and bottom. And you're going to do the same on the other side, so that hole is kind of oblong, and it's the part that's going to fit over your ears. And then you also can cut the corners of the face mask, the four corners, to make it more oval shaped. That way when you put it over your ears, there's no pointy corners. So this is the last method of making a face mask. So those two holes will go around your ears, and you can see it's pretty strong. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment and subscribe.